everyone and welcome to the Social Quotient. Before we move into our fresh video, I would like to thank all of you for the love and support. It's been 20 days since we posted our first video, Understanding Feminism. And since then, we received 2000 views on all the videos posted. The viewership and the feedback in the comments section shows us how much you have accepted us, and this motivates us to make more engaging stuff for you all, more interesting content. Today we are here to bring out another important issue, not much addressed, but it has a huge impact on how we see women in our society.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Hitesh. Over the generations, a lot many things have changed. From black and white TVs to smart TVs, from telephones to smartphones, we have evolved and upgraded ourselves to the latest technologies and trends. But one thing that remains constant is the clear discrimination of the position of the women in our society. This has a lot to do with how they are perceived and what they symbolize. Before we further understand the representation of women, it is very crucial to realize that how misogyny and patriarchy still cripple the world and we are blinded towards it. The comfort so created in the ignorance of women's fair share of equal regard can merely not be fixed from good education or good upbringing. The sources of entertainment play a major role in influencing the treatment of women in real life.
Movies are an important medium to design the world we live in. And Bollywood happens to be the most influential factor when it comes about changing people's life in India. And there is no doubt that the representation of women has drastically maneuvered from yesteryears.
मैं इंडिया से हूँ, रजौरी से मैं अपने हनीमून पे अकेले आई हूँ, मेरे साथ और कोई भी नहीं है।
पहले का कोई भी मूवी उठा के देखते हैं या earlier times में you go, so you will realize that in those times women were only considered good enough to showcase the character of a selfless mother, a sacrificing wife, a negligible sister, a tortured daughter or a daughter-in-law.
इसे दूर रहिए स्वामी, इस तरह आपका जीवन नष्ट होते हुए नहीं देख सकती।
The treatment of women was such that not only we had male-centric films, but no film ever talked about women or were slightly focused on the desire of the women. They have been confined to stereotypical roles for many, many years, and our audience got used to seeing them that way. Although a lot of space is given to females now to symbolize more than just a negligible or a supporting character in a film. But have we really been able to cut through the misogynistic representation of women in Indian cinema?
प्यार से देने रख लो, वरना थप्पड़ मार के भी दे सकते हैं।
Go by examples, we have a list of movies that portray sickening sexism, harassment, and male chauvinism in such a smooth way that it makes it seem normal. Because kudos to patriarchy and obviously the filmmakers.
मेरे कहने का मतलब
कुछ नहीं मतलब
जी वो
कह दिया ना, बस कह दिया।
Classic movies like DDLJ, Tere Naam, and Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and countless more movies that set an example that harassing a woman and continuously stalking her would help a hero to win the heart of a heroine because of his consistency, but to hell with her consent. In another popular movie, Nayak, Anil Kapoor clicks the pictures of Rani Mukherjee while she was bathing in the river and shows it to her. And surprisingly, she was impressed by this.
Though we have great women-centric movies made today, but large number of films show the same old sickening mentality through the placement of women in it. Women are best suited for item numbers, wearing revealing clothes and tantalizing men according to the creators of Indian cinema. The kind of posters we see for most of the movies use women merely as a sexual object to attract a large number of audience.
Objectifications and patriarchy can even be seen in a lot of songs in Bollywood. And examples.
का नहीं है तुझ पे राइड मेरा तू है डिलाइट मेरा तेरा रास्ता जो रोक चौंकने का नहीं.
Yes, a lot has changed ever since the beginning of Indian cinema. But we haven't really gone far in respecting women, or at least stop disrespecting them by making their portrayal look. That's good for nothing, but only to be used as a tool to woo men. And to be always supportive to men. And to be confined in a structure that only suggests them to be obedient and always be ready to make sacrifices.
Here's a test to see whether the representation of women in a movie is biased or not. It is called the Bechdel test. It has 3 things in it. First, that it should have 2 female characters or more. Second, that those 2 female characters should have a conversation. Third, the conversation that they have should not be about men. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you people can share with us in the comment section below if you know of any such dialogue from Bollywood, any song or any movie that represents the women in a sexist and misogynistic way. Also, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.